Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this in order to proceed. Then in this kind of menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the second option, recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you have to select, you can select like you don't have to use any like physical keys, you can just tap on the on these options with your finger. So you have such options as install software, clear data, check system, shut down and reset. So if you want to quit this mode, just select option restart and your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.